All right, so we're still hard at it. Little by little, we're getting it done here. It's still, what day is Thursday? Yeah, it's still Thursday today. It's still Thursday, the same day as when we bought our tire. Let's look around the corner and see what the professional Yamaha mechanic is doing at this time. Look at this.
Do you remember?
Look at this.
Do you remember if it went on this side or that side? It went on the outside when you flip it, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Go away! Look at that mosquito. Look at the son of a gun.
Looks like he's putting a brake caliper together after cleaning all that stuff out of there. All the bad stuff. Got the brand new back tire on. Let's see here. Maybe I can show you. Now we plugged this thing down by Benton Harbor when we found the nail. And just a minute, we'll find it. I'll show you what we came home on. There's what we came home on. That little plug worked great, didn't it? And then interior, it was makeshift, but I'll tell you what, it worked. Got us there, got us home, and got us safe and sound. Okay, that was a Shinko 777 HD that we took off, and then all Carl had here in Muskegon was a Shinko. Is that a 230 Tourmaster?
230 Tourmaster, correct.
Another 230 Tourmaster like around tweaks. Making headway, little by little. Oh, I screwed up. Now, VideoArizona, I got to ask you a question. Are you thinking about going on the road as a road service mechanic? So these people should be calling your number if they have problems, and like you come and I mean, this is like awesome. This guy's doing a bang up job.
I'm retired.
He's retired.
Personal pleasure.
Look at smart car. You swallow one of them little smart cars right there, and you'll be this guy with this Honda dragging his feet on the ground. Get your feet up, man! You're gonna fall over. Break your ankle. This is like the master's hands at work here. Watch this.
Yeah, there's no room in them.
Watch this. Look at absolutely perfect.
Not quite. I got to get it in there. Got to get it in the hole.
Absolutely perfect. I'd say he's doing a pretty doggone good job. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm just a video man. This is a little bit different though, because his name is VideoArizona, and I happen to know that he is a professional commercial video. What do they call those guys? Broadcaster. What is it?
Producer, director, shooter.
Producer, director, shooter. Editor.
That's the guy who did it all.
He was a catch-all.
Mostly I produced for a client, so I did shooting work. I'd hire a guy to do the lighting for me, and the audio for me, and the makeup for me, and all the rest of the stuff I did. How can you tell a good mechanic? I'll tell you how you can tell a good mechanic. He's looking at the camera, talking, doing the interview while he's putting that brake caliper on there. Yeah. That's worth twice the wage when you call him now. You know, you pay him his regular wage for putting your bike back together, getting you back on the road, but then also give him a really good tip. A really good tip. Hey, it's been fun. It's been a very learning experience, especially going through East Chicago and picking up the nail. That was an experience. Let me tell you. Did you say did you keep the nail? Yeah, I did. It's in one of those two pouches. May I? Is there anything in here that our viewers can't see? Nope. Hang on, we're going to go for an adventure.
We're going to go for a VideoArizona adventure. Just stick with me. Stick with me. Don't go nowhere. Stick with me. It's not in that one. Don't you just love digging through people's stuff? Sticking your fingers in places where there's a thing there. Are you sure? Is it in a package or is it just laying in the bottom of it?
It's just laying there.
I don't feel it.
I think that's where I put it.
Really, he gave me permission to. He gave me permission. Hold on, I'll look at dig it a little deeper. Nope, seriously, brother, I don't see it.
Okay.
All right, never mind. Not that big of a deal. I just thought maybe the viewers would like to see what.
Oh, I know I put it there, unless it flew out. No, it's not. You're right. It's not there. I gotta stop for the spot and get a drink.
He's gonna take a break. Okay, we're gonna take a commercial break here while our chief mechanic, Gen 2 rider, Arizona. I just call him Zona. I just say my friend is from Zona. I call him Vaz. Vaz is from Zona. You know, you can turn the lights on in here so you can see. There we go.
I know, that makes it easy.
That's soft water out there. Want me to get it out here? Yeah, that's good and cold.
Good.
I'll be right back.